Hello friends, do you want to get a job in digital marketing? So the first question comes in front of you is how good is the career in digital marketing? So here Vipin Nair from Aviv Digital, we are going to cover the topic how good is the career in DM. So the point number one is the growing job opportunities. Currently in digital marketing, the growing job opportunity is very high. There are more than 15 lakhs jobs estimated around the world, as well as 1,50,000 jobs estimated by 2020 within India. So you can understand the opportunity of the jobs which are growing day by day. Second is good salary. If you are an engineer graduate, or you're a graduate, or you're just any background, and if you are graduating, you're looking for a good salary job. Currently the digital marketing is a place where you get a good job, so that is the good salary job. So that is the one of the most important aspects which is going to be in digital marketing. Third is it is growing more and more because the digital presence is growing, internet presence is growing, user base is growing, mobile users is growing, so all the growth is just supporting it to grow more section. And that point number four is the people are started business are started to expend more amount on this particular platform. They are now putting more budget on this particular platform to get more sales through this particular platform. They are focusing to have more budget allocated towards digital marketing, which actually leads to the growth of career in digital marketing, because these budget need to be spent properly on the proper way. So market is actually looking for an expert who can use their knowledge and expend this amount into the market. Competition is really high, so it means that there are competition, people are getting in, so many people are coming in, but a quality person has always a scope to grow their career in long run. And the customer base, so if you looking for who can be your customer as a digital marketer, and startup business can be a best customer because they don't have huge budget to go into the market, but they can start with a small budget through digital marketing. For a personal branding, if a person looking for personal branding, and personal branding becomes one of the most important aspects, because people believe whom they see front. So personal branding is important section. Then students, consultants, freelancers, NGOs, these are the some specific people who actually looking to go and learn digital marketing or go and use digital marketing. So there are variety jobs of opportunities in digital marketing. You can, after learning, you can become an SEO expert, you can become an SEM expert, you can become an SMM expert, you can become an affiliate manager, you can become an email marketing manager, you can become a content marketing manager, you can become a CRO manager, you can become a data analyst. So many job opportunities, a wide open job opportunities for you. That's and the most important is the in-demand professionals. So as I already mentioned that there is 1,50,000 job opportunity by 2020. So you need to understand that this is the biggest growing time era where people are getting into more into digital marketing to get more focused job. And the best part of this particular industry is there is no education background. You can join this industry from any education background. It doesn't mean that you need to be a technical background or the things. You what basically is all about your common sense and the passion you are having. If you are having a common sense, you can commonly use the things. If you can analyze the things, this is the best place to get into. And the best part some people love is, if you get into digital marketing, you will be able to become an entrepreneur. So you can start your own business, own something which can start making money for you. So that's the biggest thing what I loved about digital marketing, to be an entrepreneur. So these are the some cool points how your life going to be when you become a digital marketer. So how this is how good career in digital marketing. So just think twice, go and get into this digital marketing world, and digital marketing world is waiting for you guys. So that's it Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please make sure leave a comment below, share this with your friend, and don't forget, if you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe channel, and if you're watching on IGTV, make sure you save it, and if you're watching this on LinkedIn, please make sure you comment here. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.
You